Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're an Apple Card user, you know how awesome it is to earn daily cash rewards on your everyday purchases. But what do you do when it's time to actually use that cash? In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to redeem your Apple Card daily cash. Whether you're new to this or just need a quick refresher, you'll have it sorted in no time. First things first, let's make sure you understand what daily cash is. It's basically the cash back you earn from your Apple Card purchases, typically 1% to 3% depending on where you shop. The best part? It's easy to redeem and can go straight into your Apple Cash account or even as a statement credit. To get started, grab your iPhone and open the Wallet app. That's the app with the wallet icon. It's where all your cards live. Once you're in, tap on your Apple Card. If you don't see it, make sure it's added to your wallet. Now, look for the Daily Cash section. It might be right on the main screen or under a menu. Scroll down until you find it. Here, you'll see your available daily cash balance. Tap on that to view your options. Apple makes this super straightforward with a few choices. You can redeem it as Apple Cash, which adds it to your Apple Pay balance for spending at stores or online. Or you could apply it directly to your Apple Card statement to reduce your balance. Or even transfer it to your bank account for more flexibility. Let's go through the redemption process step by step. Select the amount you want to redeem. Remember, you can choose all or just part of it. Then, pick your preferred method, like Apple Cash. You'll get a confirmation screen, so double-check everything and hit Redeem. It usually processes instantly for Apple Cash, but if you're transferring to a bank, it might take a day or two. A quick tip. Make sure your Apple Card is up to date and that you have sufficient daily cash accumulated. There's no minimum, but it's always good to check. Also, if you run into any issues, head to the Apple Support website or app for help. There you have it. Redeeming your Apple Card daily cash is quick, easy, and a great way to make your rewards work for you. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.